emotionally, ang dami niyo pinagdadaanan ngayon, Cancer. Ito na nga, parang si Moonchild din ito. Physically, parang may sakit pa rin tayo. Emotionally, financially, paano na to? Pero kalma. Okay, may ganda sa ilang pinagdadaanan mong hindi kagaanan, Cancer. Kahit parang ang hirap niyang i-handle or parang imposible na yan, Moonchild. Pero paniwalaan niyo ha, na ito'y may dahilan, merong purpose kung bakit kailangan niyo pagdaanan yung mga bagay na yan. Okay? Samahan ng dasal, patuloy na dasal, guys. Alam naman natin how powerful ang prayer, lalo kung talagang kayo po ay napanghihinaan with the strength cord. This one is in reverse. Kumbaga, wala na. Suko na, Moonchild. Iangat, isurrender mo na lahat ng dalahin mo sa Kanya. At ikaw ay hindi nag-iisa. Okay? Other messages. Kung hindi pa rin, Moonchild, di pa rin ako mag-resonate. Sige, huhugutan natin to. Cancer, tayo ay general message. Just only take what resonate po. The Empress card, this is about love, attraction, beauty. Planet ruler nito is si Venus. Venus right now, astrologically, is currently in your 4th house of home pa rin. Pero regardless doon, this is about your emotions, feelings, ayan. Sige, relationship-wise, this is about love. Single muna tayo. Kung meron kayo, kung nandito kayo sa dating stage ngayon, meron kayong kinikilala, okay, nasa proseso. November 2025, guys, kasi astrologically, si Mercury will go on retrograde pace for the whole month. Okay, so, dating, okay, nasa talking stage, Cancer. This is not the best time. May iwan ko to. Ito yung ngayon. Hindi sa hindi magiging okay, along with your other cards, andito naman yung attraction, yung chemistry, okay? Nagja-drive kayo, okay kami, on fire, Moonchild. Pero take it easy, hindi sa hindi magiging okay, but this is not the best time para sagutin mo, halimbawa, ang iyong manliligaw. Okay? Kalmahan. Very important to get to know each other pace. Get to know each other more. Ayan. Kumbaga, kilalanin mo muna ang bawat isa, magtanong para sigurado, connect, communicate.